Good morning, everyone. Today we will have a very interesting topic about how do animals stay alive. Actually, the animals, they have to stay safe to be alive, okay? So they have to adapt on the conditions around them to be able to stay alive. What is the meaning of adaptation? Actually, adaptation is a way to keep them alive. So, what is more? Tell me more about the adaptation. Actually, the adaptation is having a part of a body or a way that the animals do to help themselves to stay alive. Like what? Let's take examples. Like this giraffe. This giraffe has a part in her body, like its long neck that help them to reach the leaves in the top of the tree. So it will be able to eat and grow more and more. Okay? The second example is called the tarsier. What is the tarsier? This tarsier has a very big eyes to be able to see at the dark, and actually have a very long fingers to dig for his food. So he will be able to see at the night, so he will escape from his enemies, and he also have a long fingers that will enable him to dig for his food to grow and stay alive. Then for the tarsier and giraffe, this is how the animals adapt, by having a part of their bodies to adapt for the life. The second is having a way to adapt in the surrounding conditions. This way is called the camouflage. What is the camouflage? Actually, the camouflage is changing their color, the color of the animals or the shape of the animals, to hide from their enemies. So it's blended into the surrounding. Okay, let's take an example. We have the ptarmigan feather. The ptarmigan, the P is silent. This ptarmigan in the summer has a brown feather. So inside the leaves, it will be blended with the leaves color, which is brown. So it will be hide from their enemies. In the fall, the bird's feather begins to turn white to be able to be totally white in the winter. So in the winter, the feather will be totally 100% white, so it will be blended with the snow, so it can hide from their enemies. And this is how some animals having a part of their body or having the camouflage feature to hide from their enemies. Actually, some animals can stay safe by other ways, like this group of fishes. Swimming in a large group will protect them from being eaten by a bigger fish. So these small fish, to stay alive and to stay safe, they will move in a very large group to be protected from being eaten by a bigger fish. The second example is this Sandhill Crane. What is Sandhill Crane? This is a type of bird that leave their home totally in the winter, to search for another warm place and find food. They will fly to another place rather than their home. They will fly for the south, searching for a warm place. This is for the sandhill. And for the dormouse may die from the cold conditions. So actually it will sleep during the cold winter. It will wake up for eating quickly and will come again and sleep again in the winter. Then we have the turtle. The turtle have a very hard outer shell or outer cover that it can hide itself inside this cover, so it can stay safe from their enemies by hiding itself inside this shell. And the last one is this skunk. The skunk spray a bad smelling liquid and not a gas. It will spray a very bad smell to keep other animals away from her. Hope you enjoyed the lesson for today, and thank you for watching.